everyone, this is Miss Rachel with the Oakland County Health Division, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a really fun, healthy recipe called strawberry salad. So the first step, which I already did at the sink behind me, is we want to wash our hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds. So once your hands are all nice and clean, then we're ready to make our recipe. So there's a few things you're going to need today. I have here some strawberries that I got from the store, and these are all washed and dried, ready to go. I also have some spinach, and I have this dressing, which is poppy seed dressing. It's very sweet, it's very good. Now, if you don't like spinach or you don't like strawberries, you can use another kind of lettuce, or you can also use another type of fruit as well. The first step for our recipe after we washed and dried everything is going to be to cut up our strawberries. So I have here a little bowl of strawberries that I cut up into little pieces. I also took a big handful, or about a cup, of spinach, and that's in a bigger bowl. Then I measured out about 1 to 2 tablespoons of this little poppy seed dressing that you can see here in this bowl. So to make my recipe, I have my bowl of spinach. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in the strawberry pieces. So I'm gonna dump those right in the bowl there. And now you can see the spinach and the strawberries are all together. I'm then gonna take my dressing. I've got my little spoon, and I'm gonna spoon the dressing in. We don't want too much dressing, just enough to give it a nice sweet flavor. Once that's in, we're gonna stir it all up so it's nice and even. Stir, stir, stir. So yummy. And once it's all stirred up, I'll show you what it looks like at the end. We now have our strawberry salad. It has spinach, strawberries, and poppy seed dressing. So yummy. Enjoy your healthy snack. I'll see you next time.